Megan! Where is that girl? Megan!
Here I am, sir. A good day?
Yes, a good day. A very, very good day. You are now in the service of the Prince of Gwynedd Uwch Conwy, Megan.
Oh, sounds good. Everybody happy then?
Yes, well, apart from my Uncle David and my cousin Trodri. But there we go. In this game of war, someone's got to win and someone's got to lose. Right, what's for supper?
Waiting for you, sir.
Lobscouse. After a hard day's battle and winning the crown of Gwynedd.
It's not any lobscouse. It's my special lobscouse, made from my mother's special secret recipe.
I don't care how special it is. I want meat. Lots of meat. And potatoes. And carrots. And gravy. Gallons and gallons of gravy.
And so you shall, sir.
Excellent.
Tomorrow. Tonight, lobscouse or nothing.
Yes, but...
Taste it, and your disappointment will magically disappear.
Megan, what on earth are you on about?
Eat it, and you will see wondrous, wondrous things.
Like what?
Such as your future, sir.
What?
Eat. What? What is it, sir?
Siwan, the beautiful daughter of the English king. She's reaching out her beautiful hand to me so that we'll be married and both our countries will be at peace. At peace, Megan.
Another spoonful, sir. There's more to see.
The princes, I see them. The princes of Powys and the Deheubarth. They're all shaking hands with me. We're all friends. All friends together. And I'm welcoming them to Aberfraw. To my court. My grand court. Arglwydd. Lord of Eryri.
Oh, come, sir. There's more to see.
What's this? My workmen are building castles made of stone. Cricieth, Dolbadarn, Castell y Bere, and my home, my birthplace, Dolwydd Elan. Real strong castles. Better than any of the English castles. Oh, Megan, I have seen my future. Me, Llywelyn, Prince of Gwynedd.
No, sir. Not Prince of Gwynedd. You're going to be LlywelynFawr, the great prince of a strong, united Wales.